Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are people unable to hear you during calls? Your iPhone mouthpiece might not be working. Let's troubleshoot this issue together. The first step is to clean your microphone. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the microphone and the bottom of your iPhone. The next step is to test the microphone. Open the voice memo app and record a short message. Play it back and check if the microphone is working. Next, you remove any case or screen protector covering the microphone area. The next step is to check app permission. Go to the Settings app, then you go to Privacy. Next, you go to Microphone and ensure the app you are using has microphone access. The next step is to restart your iPhone. Restarting can often fix software glitches on your phone. Next, you check for iOS updates. Go to Settings, then you go to General, then click on Software Updates and update to the latest version. Next step is to reset all settings. Go to Settings, then General, then you click on Reset and reset all settings. This won't delete your data. If the issue persists, it could be an hardware-related issue. Reach out to Apple support for more help. And that's how you fix your iPhone microphone issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.